So first we need to know what is a string. A string is defined as a group of characters, digits or symbols that are enclosed between double quotation marks. That is, it's not necessary that a string means it should only be a text string or a character string. It can even have numbers as well as symbols. And a string is also called as a character array. So we had seen about arrays. So an array is nothing but a sequence of characters arranged in memory. So even these sequence of characters, when they are arranged continuously in memory, they are called a string. And every character array or every string is terminated with a null character. A null character indicates the end of the string. That is, the compiler should know, when we are manipulating strings, the compiler should know when the string is over. So for that reason, every string has been terminated with a null character, which is to identify how the string is complete. So what is this null? A null is nothing but it is a byte, that is, it is having 8 bits. When all the bits are set to logic 0, that is called the null value. That means it has no value or meaning. It is simply to depict that it is a value, it's something to depict that there is nothing in it. So this represents the end of a string. So this is how a string is mapped in memory. So here I am having the string India. If you see at the end of after A, there is a null character. So though actually India is having only 5 characters, it is not sufficient that we have just 5 bits depicting it. We have to have an extra bit to depict the end of the string. And if you see the addresses, it is from 500, 1, 2 and 3. We know that the storage space required for a character is only 1 byte. That is why it is incremented by 1. If it was an integer, it would have been incremented by 2 bytes. So this is just to depict the amount of memory allocation for a character and how a character string is stored in memory.